In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove ads on Tradingview step by step, 2025. If you're using the free version of Tradingview, you'll see ads on charts and panels. The simplest official way to remove them is to upgrade your account. All paid tiers remove ads, and the process only takes a couple of minutes, so let's walk through it clearly. First, open Tradingview and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in to the account you actually use for charting, because the ad-free experience will be tied to this login. If you switch devices later, just use the same account to keep the ads off across your setups. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. It's the little avatar circle that opens your account menu. Click that to expand the menu, and then choose Settings. This is where your account preferences and billing controls live, so it's the best place to manage subscriptions without hunting through different pages. Inside Settings, glance at the left-hand sidebar and click on Subscriptions. This section shows your current plan and the available upgrade options. You'll see Tradingview's paid plans, Pro, Pro Plus, and Premium. All three remove ads, so the main difference comes down to features like more indicators, more alerts, and additional simultaneous charts. If you're only upgrading to get rid of ads, any of these will do the job. Just pick the one that fits the rest of your needs and your budget. You can also decide between monthly and annual billing, which can affect overall cost. Next, proceed to the payment process to activate your subscription. You'll be taken to a secure checkout page where you can confirm the plan, verify the billing cycle, and enter your payment details. Take a moment to double-check things like currency and renewal terms so there are no surprises later. When everything looks correct, complete the purchase. After your subscription is active, the ads on Tradingview charts and panels will be removed for your account. You should notice a cleaner, distraction-free workspace almost immediately. Because the ad-free experience is linked to your account, it will carry over to other devices whenever you're signed in. If you're working across browser tabs or platforms, give it a moment to update. You can always return to the Subscriptions tab later to review your plan and renewal date. That's all you need to do. Enjoy the extra screen space and the smoother workflow. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for